we're discussing from class 8 chapter 8 text 8. Till there we have discussed today text 9 onwards 7 and okay. So um, now the churning of the milk ocean in this chapter. First 8 verses speaks about the different products of Samudra Manthan. Okay, so first Surabhi cow, then Surabhi cow came out. So actually, here one question can be said that how this division happened, like who got what. Yesterday we discussed that Surabhi cow was taken by rishis and so that kind of question was there. So actually, the Krishna in the form of actually you saw that Lord Krishna is there in every layer in the Samudramanthan Leela, right? So he was also churning he was in the Devta side and he was churning in the form of Lord Ajit. So what Krishna actually, Lord Ajit, Bhagwan, what he has planned that okay, there will be like term. First thing will come, you will take. Second thing will come, they will take. Like that, it will come. Okay. So anyway, first thing was poison. So nobody was able to take. So Lord Shiva took it, and it was very difficult. Then everybody was afraid, and then they said, okay. Then Lord said, anyway, now the whatever problem was there, that was poison. It has been taken by Lord Shiva. Now there is no problem. Let us go back. So all came back to the site, and they said, okay, let us go back and continue. So because Krishna assured them that there won't be much problem now, only wonderful things will come out. So Krishna brought them, everybody came back to the site and started again. And then first Surabhi cow came. Achha. So now, as per the rule, like they will take and they will take, like this was there. So now Krishna said to, actually Krishna played nice trick here, so that wonderful things Devatas will get. Okay, because he favored them because they are devotees. So because demons were doing for their own sense gratification and Devatas were doing for the service of Krishna. Because Krishna said, so they were following all the instructions of Krishna. So Krishna, when Surabhi cow came, Krishna said that he said like you want to take cow, take it. Demons because it's your term, so you take now cow. Demons thought what they'll do with cow. Demons means they will eat cow. They don't know other benefit of cows. Okay, actually, demons don't know the many benefits of cow. They know only one thing, that cow should be eaten. Okay, so they thought anyway, what we will do with this cow? And they said, we don't want this cow. So they did not know the value of this Surabhi cow, that it can give anything. Okay, how much we want, that much milk product or ghee. Havidhani, the name is mentioned here, Havidhani. So means Havi money means actually ghee, means the thing which is offered as oblations in the sacrificial fire. That is ghee. So Dhani means the one who gives or who have it. So cow has that. So they thought what demons anyway not going to do yajna, right? And they just eat cows. We don't want this. Why? Because if we take this cow, next term will go to them. So maybe wonderful things will come out, so they will get. So what we will do with cow? Let them take. Next thing, when next good thing will come, that will take. They were using so much brain, but they don't know that Krishna is more intelligent than the most intelligent. So then this cow was, they said, we don't want this cow. So Krishna said, okay, we don't want, let the Devatas take this. So Devata took it. Devata knew the glories of Surabhi cow. Sorry, not Devatas. So then, sorry, not Devatas, but Krishna said, knowing the glories of cow, Krishna said, anyway, see, we are, Devatas also doing effort, you are also doing effort. So this is the first result. So, like every job or any work is done, the first results generally is given in charity. So we will give this cow in charity to the rishis. Anyway, they will do yajna, so they need havi, so ghee and all they can get from cow, so you take. So the rishis took the cow. Okay. Now then, next came the horse, Uchishrava horse. It was like bright horse, very very uh, bright like that. Okay. So then as soon as they saw this powerful horse, everybody started saying, all the demons, I will take, we will take, we will take like that. So Bali Maharaja said, we want to take the horse. So they were like very much attracted towards horse because what it was looking very good. So Krishna said, okay, let them take. And then next was Airavat. Airavat was even more brilliant, shining elephant than that the previous horse. Very powerful elephant with a shining tusk, four tusk, very powerful. So again they start saying, we will take, we will take, we will take, like that. Again. So then they said, this Krishna said, Arey, just now you took this. Nana. First of all, on your term, you did not take cow. Then again, you said we want to take, so we gave you that also. Now, at least these people also doing something. Now they should get something. Till now, they did not get anything. Okay, so they should also get something, right? So I think this elephant should be given to them. They say, okay, what to do now? So elephant was given to, and then okay, after that, so elephants went to this thing, Devtas. Then came Kaustuva money and the other money. Okay, so when the Kaustuva money came, it was where, from the waves of water when this Kaustuva money emerged, came out. It was like everywhere filled with light and so much shining. And so this demons they got like bewildered after seeing the shining, and everybody wanted it. So again, now they will say everything. Like, we will take, we will take, like that. They said. So Krishna said, "See what is going on here. Let me tell you here. See, first thing you did not take. We gave it first. Poison came. Nobody wanted. So Shiva took. Next charity was given. Anyway, you did not take, so we have to give for charity. Second thing, you took horse. Then Devatas took. Arey, I am also here, na. I am also doing. At least just say honestly. You say I am doing here something or not. I am having some contribution or not. But Krishna is doing actually everything. But and he don't want anything. Everything belongs to Krishna. But he is doing such kind of play that. What do you think? I'm not doing anything. Don't you think I should also take something? So they said, okay, what to do? Demons remembered. Anyway, he only brought the mountain and all those things. He's there down holding the mountain. Above, he's holding the mountain. Okay, why you take? So Krishna in front of everybody placed the money in his chest. Okay, and then now again they started serving. So then this Parijat tree came, flower. So it was a tree, and they didn't know the glories of tree. And now it is the term of now first the demons took, then Devatas took, then Krishna took, and now again it is the term of demons. So Krishna said when the tree came out, Parijat tree. So Krishna said, "You want tree?" They thought, "What we will do with the tree?" These demons, they don't know the glories of trees and cows and animals. For them, maximum you can just cut the tree and eat them, or cut the animal, eat them. That's what they just did. Like money and these kind of things are visible, so they want that. So they said, "Krishna, you want tree? And take now. It's your turn. Take tree. Take." So they thought, "Yeah, this is what we will do with the tree, and what is the use of this tree? So we don't want this tree. Give it to them." So okay, anyway, you don't want. Actually, Krishna wanted the tree to in the Devata's side because Krishna knew this is Kalpa Vraksha, Parijat. It can give everything. You know? So Krishna said, okay, if you don't want, even though it is your term, but you don't want, okay, somebody has to take, so let the Devatas take. So they took. You know? Again they said, okay, again start churning. They again started churning, and then after some apsaras came, very beautiful ladies. They were so nicely decorated, and a nice ornament, very nice uh, dresses they were wearing, very beautiful. So when these women came, apsaras, now demons were like restless. Oh, we want, we will take, we will take, we will take. Everybody was like running. Krishna said, "Arey, wait, 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 wait. What is this happening here? Let me first." Actually, devatas are not saying anything. Wonderfully, they are acting here because Krishna said, "See, you don't say anything. If they want, let them take. If they don't want, let them. Whatever they say, we agree on that. And then I will take care of everything. But you should not say anything because if you say, they may take it another way." Okay. So devatas were not saying anything. If you get it, okay, not no problem. So even that horse, devatas thought that it should come to us, but Krishna gave to them, so no problem. Now these ladies, everybody wanted, all the demons wanted these apsaras. But Krishna thought, had a plan that these apsaras should be in the heaven with the devatas, and they should serve the devatas. So all the demons said, we want, we want, we want, and they thought like just now the tree was taken by demigods, so apsaras we can take. But Krishna said, no, wait, see, it is not your turn. On your term, tree came. You did not take. Now this is Devata's term, so Apsaras should be taken by Devatas. You are not taking things which is coming on your term, and you want things which is there on other term. This is not. This is cheating. This kind of. Just think from your dharma point of view. What is it? So demon said, okay, what? Okay, let it go. So they gave it to again to them, and then after that actually Lakshmi ji came, and there was some other, actually total 14 things came out from Samudra Manthan. Okay, so in between, in other Puranas it is also mentioned about here Varuni Madira also. There actually this Varuni uh, that came in the form of a lady, very beautiful lady, so that was Krishna. It's like one type of liquor only. So it came out, so it was like very beautiful. So Krishna gave that to demigod. You be happy with liquor. So this beautiful girl gave liquor to everybody, and they become like nice. Okay, so that Varuni was given to them, and then one bow also came, and one moon came, and a moon, Chandrama. So when Chandrama came out, so that also was so shining. So everybody wanted that, and a very cooling. Moon was giving cooling effect to everyone. So everybody wanted that. Okay. So then when moon came, so everybody said, we want moon. So Krishna said, see, first of all, um, poison came out, right? And everybody were dying. So Shiva protected us, right? So you think he did some benefit for us? We should give him also something, right? This is some general etiquette. So they said, okay, to Shiva, because he drank the poison, so he's having so much heat. So to pacify him, to give him cooling, we will give him moon, so that he will have, the moon will give him some cooling sensation. They gave moon to Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva decorated, putting his jata, his head. So moon is there. So like that. Okay, so actually here Krishna played a very important role, and he was making sure that the best thing comes to the other side. That's why he said, if you speak, there will be problems. You should be very silently doing the job. Rest I will take care. That was the thing. It's a great politics going on. Okay. So then Lakshmi ji came. That discussion was supposed to happen today. Okay, you are able to hear me, right? Okay, so okay, so now we will start the next section from 9 to 29, the appearance and marriage of Lakshmi Devi. So maybe you can rejoin now, because after some 10 minutes it will get disconnected. So in that, this section will get disturbed with me. So you can rejoin now. It's already 8:30 going to be. So next half an hour we can discuss the next section. Okay.